Welcome back, cycling enthusiasts. With the new year upon us, it's time to explore the top 5 best bicycles of 2023. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these bikes are sure to elevate your cycling experience. So, let's dive right in. Number 5. The Swiftride RX 500. This sleek road bike boasts a lightweight carbon fiber frame, offering excellent speed and agility. With its aerodynamic design and advanced Shimano gearing system, the RX 500 is perfect for those looking to conquer the open road with style. Number 4. The Trailmaster X450. If off-road adventures are your thing, this mountain bike is a game-changer. Featuring a sturdy aluminum frame, powerful hydraulic disc brakes, and responsive suspension, the X450 provides unmatched control and stability on rugged terrains. Number 3. The Urbancruisr C3. With its trendy design and comfortable upright riding position, this hybrid bike is perfect for urban commuters. The C3's lightweight frame, puncture-resistant tires, and integrated fenders make it an ideal choice for navigating city streets in style. Number 2 on our list is the Aeropro X7000. This high-performance racing bike is built for speed. Its wind tunnel-tested frame, carbon wheels, and precision engineering ensure maximum efficiency and aerodynamics. Whether you're participating in a local race or striving for a personal best, the Aeropro X7000 is designed to help you reach your cycling goals. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, our top pick for 2023. At number 1. Infintytech Pro Elite. We have the Infintytech Pro Elite. This revolutionary e-bike combines cutting-edge technology with outstanding performance. The Pro Elite features a powerful electric motor, long-lasting battery, and intelligent pedal assist system, making it an excellent choice for both leisure riders and long-distance adventurers. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 best bicycles of 2023. Whether you're seeking speed, versatility, or an off-road thrill, these bikes offer something for everyone. So, get out there, embrace the joy of cycling, and enjoy the ride. Until next time, happy cycling. If you want to buy any product, the Amazon link is the description and comments. Check it out now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.